Hi, welcome to my video on the K&F Mini Action Tripod. Now this is a small vlogging tabletop tripod for your action camera. So I purchased this off Amazon UK for the price at the time of making this video at £15. K&F Concept is a well-known company that makes a lot of accessories for all types and makes of cameras. Now they've come out with their line of selfie sticks, but I'll start off with their baby one first, which is the Mini Action Tripod. Now, what do you get in the box when you purchase this? You get the Mini Action Tripod itself, and you get a thumb screw. So let's start at the top of this mini selfie stick tripod. We have GoPro fingers, and the GoPro fingers are made out of ABS plastic, and they are molded to the mound at the top here, to the base. So you have to be careful when using this mini tripod not to drop it, because if you break the GoPro fingers, it renders the actual whole entire thing useless. Then we have a steel nut here at the side. Now the steel nut is glued in, but if you lose this nut, don't worry, because you can buy extra of these nuts on either Amazon or eBay. They're just a generic nut. As you come down, we see the words and logo of K&F Concept, and on the back we have the model number. Now this is the MS-10. Now if you come below the mount here, we have this nice orange ring, and orange is a color that K&F tends to use in all of their products. Now we come down from here, we have the handle itself, and that is ABS plastic. As I said, the majority of this is ABS plastic, with the shaft being aluminium. So now the body, which is also doubles up as the handle, which also doubles up as the legs, have 3 rectangular patches on each of the legs on there, which has a kind of familiar pattern of the logo of K&F Concept. So in its folded state, from the top of the GoPro fingers to the bottom of the handle, it is 5.4 inches long. Its weight is 90 grams. So this is how it looks when it's fully extended. There is a ring of orange, and you can plainly see now the ring of orange there is more pronounced as you extend out the selfie stick. So now its length, when it's fully extended, is now 13.2 inches long. The main component of the shaft is aluminium with these plastic collars on each section. There are 5 sections to this. The plastic collars I do like, because they're very thin, so the plastic is not that thick for the collars, which have these plastic studs on each of the section. Also, on either side of the shaft, there's an indentation on either side, and that's to give it strength. Now on the bottom of this tripod, it has 3 legs, and on each leg there's a rubber tip or rubber foot on each legs. That's to give it some grip, and each legs are made up of this diamond shaped pattern throughout each leg, and that's to give it some stability. Now on the edges of each of these legs, there's a tongue and groove locking system on each of these legs. So when you bring all the legs together to the center, they lock into place to form the handle. Now the shaft itself does protrude down through the middle, and does provide this with somewhat of a 4th leg. It doesn't exactly touch the ground as the other 3 legs do, but there's a very minimum clearance on the bottom where the shaft is. So if this is on rough ground, you can guarantee that this will act as a 4th leg. Now the shaft in the middle does not push forward, so does not raise up, so it is fixed into place. I'll come to the part of the video where I do my 2 pence worth on the K&F Mini Action Camera Tripod, model number MS-10. If you're looking for something cheaper than the GoPro Shorty, better in the hand than the GoPro Shorty, built better than the GoPro Shorty, you can't go wrong with this particular item. In the hand, it feels quite substantial, even though it has a weight of only 90 grams because the girth of the handle stroke tripod legs in the hand with the bits of rubber splashed on each leg does give this a kind of premium feel. I do like how K&F had put this splash of orange around it, which breaks up the black color of this selfie stick. Also, I do like the stiffness of the shaft when pulling out. It doesn't feel as loose and it will hold its position at each length if you require it. Now, there is a couple of negative points. First being is, one, this is not a flotation device for your action camera. So i.e. it doesn't float. So if you have this in bodies of water, it will sync with your action camera on there. Second negative is that the GoPro fingers at the very top of this selfie stick, because they are molded into the base or mount at the top, if you drop this selfie stick with no camera in there, you will break the GoPro fingers, and once broken, it renders the whole entire selfie stick tripod useless. And the last negative is the bottom part of the shaft, the last section. With the legs spread open, which provides a height, if you do not raise the camera on there or shaft, and provides a height of 4.7 inches in height, is permanently fixed. So you have to choose which ground you really put this selfie stick tripod on, because I wished K&F made this that the shaft can be retracted up into the mound or base, so that if you want to go on extreme rocky grounds, at least the three legs can still touch the ground, but the middle shaft doesn't prevent those legs from touching. So if you're looking for something which is cheaper than the GoPro Shorty, built better than the GoPro Shorty, you can't go wrong with the K&F Mini Action tripod. It is great for trips, great item for putting into your pocket with your action camera, because it's small enough to fit there, and in bags. Great for those who do vlogging as well.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail on the item or the product, so when you get it, you know what to expect. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the channel. I'll be grateful for that, and I'll see you next time.